Experiencing spacebar problems with your HyperX Alloy Origins Core keyboard? You're not alone. Many users report spacebar issues within 6 to 18 months of regular use. These problems manifest in several ways. You might experience multiple key presses from a single input, complete unresponsiveness in certain areas, or a sticky and sluggish key return. These issues stem from four key causes: stabilizer degradation, switch contact oxidation, keycap warping from extended use, and debris accumulation that interferes with the switch mechanism. First, diagnose the specific issue. Test your spacebar systematically. Is it registering multiple presses or none at all? Does it feel sticky or sluggish when pressed? Understanding the exact symptoms will guide your repair approach. The first repair method to try is non-invasive cleaning, which has a 60 to 70% success rate. This approach requires minimal tools and poses little risk to your keyboard. Here's the step-by-step process. First, power down and disconnect your keyboard completely. Safety first when working with electronics. Next, gently remove the spacebar using a keycap puller. Apply upward pressure on the corners, not the center, to avoid damaging the stabilizers. Clean the stabilizer wires with 99% isopropyl alcohol using cotton swabs. Then use compressed air to clean the switch housing thoroughly. Finally, apply a thin layer of dielectric grease to the stabilizers. This helps ensure smooth operation and can prevent future issues. Reassemble carefully and test the spacebar function. When basic cleaning doesn't resolve spacebar issues, advanced repair methods can achieve much higher success rates. Switch contact restoration has an 80 to 85% success rate for fixing unresponsive or inconsistent spacebar behavior. This method targets switch contact oxidation, which occurs when electrical contacts within the switch housing develop oxidation layers that interfere with proper signal transmission. The repair process involves removing the spacebar keycap to access the switch housing, then applying contact cleaner spray such as Deox-IT D5 directly to the switch contacts. The second advanced method addresses stabilizer misalignment, which has a 75 to 80% success rate. This targets mechanical issues with the wire stabilizers that support the spacebar. This method involves carefully removing the stabilizer wire assembly and inspecting it for bent or damaged components that can cause uneven spacebar actuation. Prevention is more effective than repair. Implementing regular maintenance schedules can reduce spacebar failures by 65% compared to keyboards with no maintenance routine. Essential preventative measures include monthly cleaning schedules, minimizing dust exposure, and avoiding excessive force during use. Quality maintenance tools are a worthwhile investment. The keyboard industry is evolving to address these issues. HyperX has improved stabilizer designs in post-2024 models, and manufacturers are moving toward hot-swappable switches and enhanced dust resistance. These advanced repair methods and preventative measures provide comprehensive solutions for spacebar issues, with success rates significantly higher than basic cleaning alone.